Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app on your on your BodyFast app. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click on me, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on notifications. You just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to add the end of a fasting period here. Come here to when it ends. You click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.